Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I do appreciate you clicking on this video to find out what's up. It saddens me to have to make this video. I never thought I'd have to make this video. I'm just kidding. But it is with sad remorse to have to tell y'all that the Thirsty palette and the Alien palette by Jeffree Star will no longer be available. These will be discontinued as of 2020. Now, the Thirsty palette was his summer collection of 2018. This is a palette that retails for $48. This was his third palette. This is a pretty palette. I did combine my eye look today with both of these palettes. The silver on top is out of this palette. This has his 2 rows of colors and then the whole middle row of glitters. This is what that palette looks like. It is very summer vibed, but the glitters in here are beautiful. I will say I have been looking, and this palette I cannot find anywhere at the moment. But here are some swatches of those glitters. They are just beautiful colors. But this palette, like I said, will no longer be available. So if you can get your hands on it, I totally would. It is a very nice palette in the summertime. I will tell you the glitter sticks around. Not as bad as ColourPop's glitter, but all the same, it's still glitter and it still stays. Let me get my hands dry and I'll show you a couple of the colors from in here. It does sadden me that this palette will no longer be available. I am a huge fan of Jeffree Star's, obviously. But I don't understand. He has 11 palettes to date, and he is taking out 2 palettes, and it's only his 5th year anniversary. So I'm not really understanding, but I guess I don't have to. So there are some more of those colors. Got the blues together. Sorry about that. They are different colors of blues. One's more of a greenish blue than the other, as you can see. But that is that palette. And as far as 2020, it will no longer be available. I don't know if you can get these on Jeffree Star's website or possibly Beautylish. I don't know. I know that I had looked for them and everywhere had told me out of stock. Not that I needed one. I do have one. But it would be nice to get one for a future giveaway or so. But $48 palette, third palette, summer collection of 2018. Now the Alien palette, this was the second palette I owned of Jeffree Star's. My husband bought this for me right after I got Blood Sugar. This is a totally unique eyeshadow palette. I love the Alien palette. This is one of my favorite palettes from him. This is a $52 palette. It's his 5th palette, and it was the Alien release in the holiday collection. It does have a mirror, and then that is the color story for this palette. This is also what I have on my eyes. I am wearing the yellow mustard Martian soil. I'm wearing the Area 51 purple, which I love the purple in this palette. I think it's beautiful. It blends well. It's there. You can see it. It has the pigment that you need and want. I'm also wearing the Pluto in the inner corners of my eyes. It makes them pop. And then I'm wearing Interstellar along my brow bone. And my favorite color in here is the alien color itself, which I'm wearing on my bottom lash line. This is a beautiful green. I have green eyes, so green eyeshadows just call to me. There's the color Alien. There is Pluto, which is a white shimmer color. Interstellar is also a beautiful color. And then the color that I like in here, other than Alien, is Probe and Space Cowboy. They are just two unique colors that I don't have in other palettes. I'm running out of room. Okay, this is Probe. And that is Space Cowboy. They're just a duochrome shift. And then this brown shimmer color. I think those two colors are extraordinary too. Again, like I said, this palette will be discontinued in 2020. I don't have any reasons for why. I have not heard why. If you know, do leave in the comments because I would love to know. Like I said, I am a major Jeffree Star fan. I know I've only been playing in makeup and doing YouTube for almost a year now, but the formula of Jeffree Star's products are amazing. And he has such cute packaging. All of his palettes are unique in one way or another. You have the Blood Sugar, the Blue Blood, and the Conspiracy palettes, which are all box jewelry box and coffin shaped. There's nobody else out there that has made a palette like that. The Jawbreaker palette was very unique, the big one and the small one. His Beauty Killer and Androgyny palettes are both beautiful palettes also. The Morphe collab was also a great palette. Jeffree Star has amazing products. If you've not tried them, do go and try them. I know they're a little bit pricey, but the formula is totally worth your money. This is not the kind of video that I would want to bring to you, and it saddens my heart. It really does. I feel for Jeffree Star. 11 palettes and 2 to be on the chopping block. I'm not aware of why. I hope he does come and let us know why. The Alien palette, like I said, is my all-time favorite palette from him to date. I don't have the Conspiracy palette yet, but I will be getting that in March. And I still think the Alien palette will probably have it hands down. So, that is my video. You heard it here. I know if you do Instagram, you've heard it on there also. But I just want to do a final farewell. My heart goes out to these palettes and Jeffree Star. And anybody that doesn't own these palettes, I'm thankful that I have them in my collection. My husband is very good about making sure that I do so. But it really does hurt my heart. So my thoughts are with you, Jeffree Star. And anybody else, if you can get your hands on it, I would totally do it. So thank you. I hope this wasn't clickbait with my title. But if you didn't know, you do now. So sweet final farewell to our babies. The Thirsty and the Alien palette. As always, please do like, share, and subscribe. It really does help our channel out. February will be our 1-year mark on YouTube, and I am totally trying to get to the 1K. I do have tons of watch time left, but getting over the hurdle of the 1K will make my year. So please do subscribe, like, share, tell a friend, tell a family, tell a phone. All right, guys, that's it. So until next time, y'all stay beautiful.